Hello tout le monde, c'est Demoniax pour la chaîne de Demochoose. Et aujourd'hui, on se retrouve pour Monsieur Robocop Rock City. Donc la dernière fois, on s'était laissé sur la sortie de prison de Wendell. Quoi? Sortie de prison. Plutôt l'évasion. Et là, on retourne à l'hôpital pour aller sauver Lewis. Oui, c'est violent. J'ai vu point de compétence.
Casualties at Gibson Memorial Hospital.
Let's go.
Possible hostiles in the vicinity.
Appeler l'ascenseur. Aller au 2. Oui, c'est vrai. Faut que je passe par là. Mais ils ont tué tout le monde. Abusé.
Lewis,
I'm all right, Murphy. I'm all right.
Ah, on était là pour ça en fait.
Oh, thank God you're safe.
We've missed you, officer. How are you feeling?
A little banged up, but I've certainly been worse.
That Wendell guy needs to pay for what he did.
and he will.
But when? How many more innocent people have to get shot before that happens?
OCP doesn't have our back. We know that Wendell's working for him.
You know what we should do?
Don't even say it!
We should go on strike.
Yeah!
Sergeant, how do we go out on the streets knowing that the people who hire us are working against us?
Don't forget about the robots.
We will discuss this further, but first, Murphy, it's time for your evaluation.
Encore.
I'll be catching up on what's been going on, partner.
Oh my God, Lewis is back. Hey, Steph, how's my hair?
Looks like an elephant took a dump on an ostrich.
Robocop, please, have a seat.
Ah, la transmission illégale, je vais pas trouver.
That's it from me.
Where is Dr. Blanche? I am supposed to undergo an evaluation.
Oh, right. She called. Said that she wouldn't be able to make it today. Actually, she wanted you to call her. She seemed distressed.
On est dans la merde.
Antonowski.
Et écrit récupère lentement jusqu'à 75%.
He escapes from a high security prison. Now the cops are thinking about going on strike. What happens if some dangerous
Faire en sorte de récupérer de la vie partiellement. Hein.
Dr. Blanche.
Thank you for returning my call. I don't know what to do. Who to trust.
What seems to be the problem?
My research that I was conducting on you. It's gone. All the data that I collected is missing from the precinct. If someone felt comfortable stealing my computer, they may come after me once they realize that most of my records are on paper. OCP has been adamant about me keeping all the records on my computer, but I don't trust technology and I don't trust OCP. I keep most of my records with me in my notebook. I don't know who to turn to, except you.
Where are you now?
Home.
You are not safe there. Meet me at the Star Motel.
Yes, I know the place. I'll meet you there. Thank you.
Et pourquoi je vais pas la chercher chez elle au pire?
I'm not leaving here till I know what happened.
Sir, can you please calm down?
I'm a respectable citizen. I won't be treated like this.
Murphy,
là.
you busy?
Oui, vas-y, dis-moi ce qu'il a.
This guy's really a handful. Do you mind taking over?
Hey, don't talk about me like I'm some kind of problem. The real problem is that one of you ignored my call for help.
Sir, none of our dispatchers would do such a thing as receive a call and not act upon it.
So maybe the next thing you're gonna tell me is that I wrecked my own fish shop.
Plenty of people attempt insurance fraud.
How dare you? My family has been serving that neighborhood for generations. You should know that I have many offers to buy out the shop. But I would never sell out to OCP, unlike you lot. I need to speak eye to eye with the man who ignored my call this afternoon.
Just a moment, sir. Murphy, I think it's your new buddy who's been on dispatch duty today. Could you check this matter with him?
Something's going down in the locker room. Let's check it out.
Je fais un endroit, ils me disent aller à un autre endroit. Arrêtez. Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
It was you sitting on your ass in dispatch when my cousin called the police. He got shot because no officer showed up.
It appears there's a technical problem. I reported it to OCP.
You see? He said it himself. That little snitch reports everything to OCP to undermine our efforts.
That's not right. I answer all...
Yes, it's not right, and you'll answer for that. Put him up.
I ain't gonna fight you. We're police officers.
No, you got that all wrong. You never were and never will be part of this team, because you're not a real cop. You may fool some of us, but I can smell a rat a mile away.
Attacking a fellow officer is a violation of the law. I will not allow it.
Of course you won't. You're both OCP's puppets covering for each other. This is bullshit!
Come on, Steph. Let's just go.
Whatever, man.
Your stress level appears to be high. I recommend using a health pack.
I'm guessing you're not here just to check my vitals. Can I help?
There has been a complaint about police ignoring calls.
You mean other than this one? I had a feeling something was wrong with the switchboard. Can you meet me in the dispatch room? I want to show you what I mean.
Vas-y, on va voir de quoi tu parles.
The problem started when OCP brought new equipment in. I mentioned to the technicians that I thought something was wrong with this switchboard, but they said not to fuss, as this stuff is top of the line. Maybe you could have a look at it?
On va scanner. On peut pas déjà scanner directement tout et on n'en parle plus?
Found something?
This cable looks out of place. I will see where it leads.
Quel câble? Et ils vont là.
Murphy, you're here. Let's start with what you found out at that prison.
I will show you somewhere private.
I think I've got the place.
The new OCP project is what will make this possible for you. But I wouldn't want to leave you empty-handed, so let me at least give you this. project's called Afterlife.
Afterlife. So someone in OCP is working with Wendell on another big project?
If not Becker, then who?
Sorry
Problème,
to
là.
disappoint you all, you ungrateful fucks. You didn't think I'd find you here, did you? Since I'm already here, entertain me. If I'm no longer your suspect, then who is?
I mean, we're all thinking it, so I might as well say it. What if it's the old man?
Ha! You've got some balls to even mention something like that. Nevertheless, good luck. Even if it's true, he's untouchable. Unlike you, I've got some work to do. Final preparations before the expo. So wish me luck.
Good luck.
Becker's right. We can't just go on accusing people without proof. What else is there?
Seems that Wendell found himself another gang to work for him.
What do we know about them?
Guns for hire. He's paying a lot for their services. They're supposed to be very computer savvy, real high-tech shit.
Dr. Blanche mentioned her computer was hacked.
Then I think we found ourselves a new lead.
Murphy, I want you to pursue this.
I will pay Dr. Blanche a visit.
All right, everyone dismissed.
Can't wait to go back out there, partner.
You're not going anywhere.
Murphy,
Hmm.
Mayor Cusack wants to talk to you. He's waiting in Reed's office.
Oui, bah attends. Arrêtez de me donner 15 000 objectifs. Donc là, les câbles. Hop, c'est ça. Il va là le câble. D'accord. Les deux, le rouge et les deux noirs, ils vont là. Ensuite, là le câble il fait ça. Là. Il relie là. Ok. Celui-là il part là.
You called?
I did, Frankenstein. I hate to sound like a broken record, but the election is days away. The future of this city is at risk. That's why I wanted to be blunt with you.
Tout à l'heure je fais les autres quêtes. Sauf celle que je veux faire.
Me to do and I'll do it. Is it money? Do you want me to pay you?
I will remind you, Mr. Mayor, that bribing voters is illegal.
But if that's what it takes, you know as well as I that we can't have OCP rule this city. I may have overheard that there are some serious accusations pointed at the old man himself. What more do you need to know to support me?
I will think about it.
Sure. Take your time, but not too much time. The election is in 2 days.
T'es soutenu de quoi? Je t'ai même pas soutenu mon frère. Mais... Donc là tu me demandes de suivre... Tu me demandes de suivre les câbles. Ok. Là. Ils vont là, non? Même pas. Les câbles, ils vont là. Non. Je sais pas comment je suis tes câbles alors. C'est rien de tout ça là? Et là, on est d'accord que si je remonte là, les câbles là, je les vois pas. Je peux pas sauter et je vois pas ici. Où ils iraient. À part elle est là. Et je pense que c'est soit cela. C'est cela alors. Et donc là, ils sont pas reliés bien. Ah non. Je ne comprends pas. Ça me donne mal à la tête. Là, les câbles. Le blanc, il est relié là. Lui, il fait ça. Et ça, il fait le... Il est rangé là. Et c'est ça. Ensuite, là, t'as une prise sur une prise. C'était ouf. Moi, je suis les câbles, je vois rien derrière. Mais là, je le vois le câble. Oui, mais... Voilà.
Police, what's the emergency?
Hello? I just called, and I believe someone hung up on...
Okay, just remain calm. Officers are on their way and we'll be with you shortly.
I haven't even finished my last sentence, and you...
Thank you for contacting the police. Stay safe.
Et il est là, il a entendu.
So, any luck finding what's wrong with it?
The switchboard has been tampered with. Calls are being patched through to a concealed answering machine.
That's seriously messed up. But it's definitely not all the calls. I've been receiving a pretty decent share of them. But have a look at this. I marked the map with all the calls I've answered this week.
One entire district seems to be completely empty.
Yeah, and it's that rundown neighborhood. We need to find out what's going on over there.
An opportunity presented itself. There is a victim from there awaiting an apology.
Okay, let me take care of that. I'll tell you what I find once I'm done. I can't undo the injustice you suffered, but I want to make it right. I'd like to start by visiting your store. Maybe I could take your statement there so I don't keep you here any longer.
Finally, someone who's hearing me out. I want to see you by the end of the day. Otherwise, this matter goes straight to Mayor Cruzak.
Once I finish my dispatch duty, I'll come right over.
Good. Good. I can take my leave now.
It's the perfect opportunity to check out the area and learn what the locals know, don't you think?
I agree.
If you're not busy with your other duties, maybe you could join me there?
Ok, donc là, je... J'avais cherché longtemps, quoi. Pour rien. Oh bah les deux, c'est la même. Let's go. On va sortir. On va aller voir Ulysse.
you on your way to see Dr. Blanche?
Yes. Let us hope I will not be slowed down by another cheering crowd.
Dans la bonne truc là? Je crois pas que je suis dans la bonne ville.
So, the preparations for the election are in full swing, huh?
Fortunately, I am just by the hotel.
Good. Keep me posted.
Murphy, good to see you. Multiple armed suspects have taken over the store. We gotta be careful. They got the owner inside.
I am going in.
You need backup.
Remember your field training, Officer Washington.
I won't let you down.
You guys go ahead. I'll secure the perimeter.
Oh, it's the mayor's poster. Maybe he actually knows him. Let's get him! You're something else.
Bah. Pas le temps. Ah bah j'ai pas tué le bon.
Oh, quit your whining, Pops. It's not like anyone can smell the difference.
Open the door and come out with your hands up.
Oh, shit, that's RoboCop. Listen, you and your friends got it all wrong. You're not supposed to be here, pal. OCP doesn't butt into this hood's business. And you're police on OCP's money, so you better scram if you don't want trouble.
I am a police officer. I do not take orders from lowlifes.
What do you want, Robot? I'm trying to be nice here. I've got a hostage here, and I'll blow his fucking brains out if you try anything stupid.
Break the door! He's reloading.
Who's that?
There ain't an ounce of respect in those perks. There's nothing sacred to OCP. But I was wrong about you. You definitely more human than any of them OCP hyenas.
Ah bah oui.
That was intense.
Good job, Officer Washington.
Thank you, Robo.
J'ai des compétences à mettre. Non. Que je vais mettre en scannage. Allez, c'est pendant courte période. Un coup de poing. Mais pas de coup de poing. Je la joue pas coup de poing. Et là, j'ai déjà les trucs pour ouvrir les coffres. On va mettre ça. Allez, on sort les filles.
Hey, Washington. That sounded like a proper gunfight. So how come you're still in one piece?
I had a partner who had my back.
Keep it up and I might just change my mind about you.
C'est bon?
I'll wrap this up, Robo.
C'est bon pour eux.
You can head back to the precinct.
Donc là, faut que je récupère les trucs d'infraction. Si je suis dans la même ville, je vais essayer de voir pour la... Mince. La zone d'arcade. Je vais te prendre une contravention. Ça fait, on dirait un taudis de ouf. C'est ça. Pollue, toi. Tiens, prends-toi ton PV. Ça, c'est bien, par contre, que maintenant, je vais pas avoir le scanner direct. Ouais, donc là, je suis dans la première ville. Je vais voir si je peux aller dans l'arcade.
Drinking in a public place is against the law.
I'm not drinking. I'm drunk already. And I am home.
There is an open bottle of liquor by your side. I have to issue a ticket.
Sure. Send the ticket to the third park bench at the promenade.
Voilà. Je peux dire, il n'y a pas d'autres trucs, c'est... Je crois que c'est des trucs à récupérer. C'est des objets, des... Ouais, voilà. Cyberpiste. Ah, je crois que j'ai un trophée dans cette map. Pas dans cette quête. Un point d'exclamation en haut sur la planque de gang. Par là? Ouais, c'est par là. Je sais plus où elle est, l'arcade. Elle était là, l'arcade, non?
Your arguments against voting are baseless. As residents of this city, you have an
Ah bah, elle est là. Et je peux toujours pas y aller. Ouais, j'aurais dû aller dès la première truc, quoi. Je vais devoir recommencer pour pouvoir y aller. Docteur Blanche, tu vas attendre un tout petit peu. Oui. Ah, j'ai fini la quête des... C'était vite réglé, quoi. Apparemment, tout droit là-bas, il y a encore des points d'exclamation. Là, ici. Et après, j'en ai plus. Let's go, hein. On va aller voir viteuf et après, on lance la quête. Et après ça, on finit la vidéo. Donc là, après, je vais à droite. Là, si je vais à gauche, normalement, je suis au bon endroit. Ouais, faut que j'aille jusqu'au bout et je tourne à gauche. Et jusqu'au bout et à gauche. C'est là, non? Ouais, c'est là. Le petit là, voilà. Ah oui, d'accord. Maintenant, let's go au point principal. Et je crois que le trophée dans celle-là, c'était sauver un chat de l'hôtel. Donc on va faire en sorte de pas l'oublier. Ok, donc c'est là. Notre chargement pour rentrer dans la baraque. Bonjour.
You're way too early. The bachelorette party starts at 8.
I am here to meet with Olivia Blanche. What room is she in?
This is a by-the-hour hotel. People don't usually give names.
Dr. Blanche is in her 50s, bright long hair, possibly tied into a ponytail.
I gotcha. It's that classy lady. She's staying in room 405.
Thank you, citizen.
So, you aren't the real RoboCop? Listen, if you're mature...
Oui, je suis le vrai. Entendu des bruits de chat.
It's you. Thank you for coming over. Do you really think I'm in danger?
Not as long as I am here. Tell me what happened again.
Someone stole my work computer from the precinct. But the only thing of value are my research notes. Your evaluation especially.
Does anyone else know about your research?
OCP requested confidentiality, so they're the only ones who know about it. You don't think the old man has anything to do with it, do you?
Did you notice anyone suspicious at the crime scene?
No. But after a recent hacking attempt, Engineer Morgan fitted my work computer with a tracking device. You could download its last coordinates from my private computer. It's right there on the desk. Maybe this will help you find the culprit.
I will find them, and they will pay.
Actually, even if those thieves were after my research, they'd be disappointed. I keep most of my notes on paper, including my conclusion. I know the whole process wasn't easy for either of us, but I'm sure you felt there was progress. How do you feel about doing the final session now?
I promised to adhere to our working relationship.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. You agreed to a non-compulsory evaluation. Does that mean you felt our sessions are helpful?
Yes.
A lot has changed since we started. Do you remember how you perceived yourself back then?
I was struggling to comprehend my own existence.
That is correct. But since then, did you have a change of heart? How do you consider yourself now?
I like to think of myself as a person.
I'm glad to know you can finally see this. Through our time together, I've learned a lot about you. And one thing I know for sure is that you're not some kind of soulless OCP robot.
Why do you think so?
Could a machine create a real bond of friendship such as you and Officer Lewis have? Do you think a machine would bother to help a drug addict believe that there is a place for him in our society? Do you think a machine could teach a newly appointed officer what it means to be a real policeman? Or bring comfort to a suffering old man?
Would an actual person glitch?
We should make a clear distinction. These so-called glitches are your memories. It seems to me that they manifest themselves in unusual ways because they are trying to get through a mechanical barrier. But as memories and the past make up everyone's personality, those memories make you who you are as well. This is what makes you different from a machine. You should not fear them, but embrace them.
But there is also the other kind.
And that worries me. But the malfunctions you're referring to seem to be strictly technological. I'm afraid someone is using your mechanical side to mess with your psyche. They would be more successful if it wasn't for your human side. And no wonder. It's probably your strong will that allowed you to bear the extraordinary burdens. And it's also what's been protecting you from totally malfunctioning. I don't know a single
Ok, donc il faut qu'on attrape une taupe.
So if this evaluation was to determine whether you're human or not, my answer is you're not just a human, but an exceptional one, Alex Murphy. Don't you ever forget that, unless you want to have me on your case again.
I will try. Thank you, Doctor.
Use my computer to download the coordinates of the tracking device. It's right there on the desk.
D'accord, ça c'est ton ordi? C'est une valise, mon frère.
I have the coordinates.
Hello, Dr. Blanche. I got a special delivery for you.
But I haven't ordered anything.
I only need your signature. Can you please open the door?
Tiens.
Caution! She's not alone. Robocop is guarding the target.
Ah merde.
Were they here to kill me?
We need to move. Lewis, there was an attempt on Dr. Blanche's life.
Is she okay?
Yes, but she will need an escort.
Roger that. I'm on my way.
Une chaise de kill. Rentable.
We need to move.
Is this really about the research?
I will figure that out.
We got visuals on the Tango.
Follow me.
Can we rest for a moment?
No, we should not stop.
It's a dead end. We need to look for another way.
I
I don't know how you're thinking of making a way, but you better hurry. This room is getting awfully hot.
On va attraper une chaise, hein, parce qu'apparemment c'est puissant contre eux. Oui.
We're moving forward. That's good. Concentrate on the positive, Olivia.
need to move.
M'en doutais.
This heat is just too much.
We must keep going.
Coup de fusil à pompe. Là ça brûle. Ouh. J'ai arraché la tête. Oh Mao.
Cannot go through. Fire is blocking the way.
Et où le chat? Et là? Ah bah voilà. J'ai eu le trophée. Ça va passer. Là il y a des trucs à récupérer, des fausses cartes, des machins. On va prendre une chaise. Et là il y a du feu, non? Non.
The sprinklers aren't working.
Rien. Non. Ton père, toi. Ton père. Ton père. Ton père. Ton père. Mais j'ai dit ton père. Couché. Mais. Il me tire dessus. Mais. Il me tire dessus d'où? Vous avez vu d'où ça me tire? Parce que moi, je vois rien du tout. Je peux aller par là? Ah bah si, c'est de là d'où je viens. Et là, il n'y a personne et ça me tire dessus. On peut activer ça? Non. Éliminer les menaces. Quelle menace? Charge récupération au maximum. Ah ça. Tac tac. Là il y a pas quelqu'un. Là. Le feu ça brûle et l'eau ça mouille. Là j'ai tué toutes les menaces. Là y a personne. Et là j'ai tué. En fait, il est censé avoir un mec là. Mais il est invisible, comment vous voulez que je le tue? Ok. Il va... Il est invisible. Je fais comment pour le tuer là? Ah, là ça bug. Donc il est censé être là. Obligé.
I have the coordinates.
Hello, Dr. Blanche. I got a special delivery for you.
But I haven't ordered anything.
I only need your signature. Can you please open the door?
Were they here to kill me?
We need to move. Lewis, there was an attempt on Dr. Blanche's life.
Is she okay?
Yes, but she will need an escort.
Roger that. I'm on my way.
Eyes on target.
Follow me.
Une chaise. One shot. Ici ça fait de la zik, mais... Bon. Je peux pas t'attraper toi. Bon, c'est pas grave. Je vais t'attraper. J'arrache les jambes.
I will figure that out.
Et qu'est-ce qu'il a fait?
No, we should not stop.
It's a dead end. We need to look for another way.
I will make a way.
I don't know how you're thinking of making a way, but room is getting awfully hot.
Follow me.
That's good. Concentrate on the positive, Olivia.
Allez où? Deux secondes mon bonhomme. Voilà.
This heat is just too much.
We must keep going. We cannot go through fire.
Donc je rouvre au chat. Et on va descendre par là. Attends. Je récupère ça et je prends une chaise. Voilà. Les chaises ça one shot. Ouais. C'est bon là, c'est mieux. Ah, et là, l'autre menace. Donc ouais, le jeu, il avait bugué. Il y avait un ennemi invisible.
The fire's dying out.
Footsteps upstairs.
I will make a way.
Alors toi, tu me saoules. Tu vas contre ton pote. Que je vais dézinguer. Et je vais attraper une chaise.
Follow me.
Et c'est tout. Ok.
I'm finally starting to understand. The shooting, the blood, seeing it firsthand, it puts everything into perspective. What I think I'm trying to say is, thank you.
My duty, madam.
Il y a des soucis.
So what now, Murphy?
I will follow the signal to track the doctor's computer. You will keep her safe.
Safe from what exactly? Who were those guys?
Mercenaries on Wendell's payroll.
The same ones that paid me a visit at the hospital? Wendell should be grateful. You keep reducing his overhead.
I am expecting a huge payoff.
I hear that.
Les expressions labiales et le son ne sont pas pareils. Il y a un décalage. Compétences. Et le scan qui ont augmenté. Ouais. Voilà, le signal il monte. Je vais juste aller à la planque. « 10 minutes, il faudra que j'aille vers le haut. » Il m'a mis un point d'exclamation. Pas compris. Donc là, le signal il monte plus que j'avance par là.
They'll figure it out, I'm telling you. Connect the parts, plug in the wires, then get the money around.
Il avance.
Okay, Murphy. So where are you headed now?
I am following the signal from the doctor's computer.
That's handy. You're gonna keep me posted if you find anything, won't you?
Affirmative. Murphy, out.
I hate when you do that. Loose out.
Need some rubble?
No, but it might be covering something that I am looking for.
It will be like searching for a needle in a haystack unless you have some kind of X-ray vision. Any joy?
I need to see what is underneath.
Then you'll have to wait. There'll be a truck to move it in an hour or two. It's not like you can move the whole thing anyway. You're not a Finnegan train, are you?
I am much more than that.
Shit! You're like a freaking bulldozer. Is that what you were looking for? A manhole cover?
I need to get underground.
Well, not through there, you ain't. If the sewers are what you're after, then you should use the entrance behind the mark. Just under the overpass.
Thank you, citizen.
Entrer dans les égouts. Je vais chasser les tortues ninja ou c'est comment? On va voir. Pour rentrer dans les égouts, faut que j'aille là. Ça marche.
Another respectable citizen on their way to the sewers. Is there a party going on down there?
Je veux pas finir cette quête, hein. C'est abusé.
Lewis, tracker coordinates lead me to the sewers. I am entering now.
I can't hear you very well. It must be bad signal. I've taken down Blanche to the safe house.
Lewis, you are breaking up.
Watch your step. This might get dangerous. Make sure to contact me if back up. Stay safe.
Dans les égouts. Il est où, Maître Splinter? Devoir suivre le cap, c'est ça?
Enemy contact! Enemy contact! As you request.
Ok, je fais le truc et... Tiens.
We got visuals on the Tango. Status check. Teammate,
Bon, tu veux pas mourir? Meurs.
Initiating new tactics.
Attends, mais y'a un mec là? Deux secondes, le suivant. Voilà. Fais-moi des balles. Il y avait un mec là-bas, non? Et là, il y a quoi ici? Un portefeuille volé. Ah, super. Donc là, normalement, j'ai remis le courant. On est d'accord. Oui. Je pensais pas avoir autant de monde ici. Il y avait des balles là. Et... Lève-toi. Voilà. Coup de pompe. Coup de pompe. Coup de pompe. Coup de pompe. Envoyé sur tes potes.
Can't seem to get hold of him.
Lewis, can you read me?
Loud and clear. Are you out of the sewers already?
No, I found a signal booster.
A signal booster underground?
The entire OCP communication network runs down here. It looks like the mercenaries were tampering with it.
I wonder what they were up to.
Whatever they were planning, I am going to stop them.
Engaging the enemy.
Et hop. Je vais aller par là, ok. Un peu les burnes. Disquette d'OCP. Et rien d'autre. Compétence, on continue sur la bonne lancée du scannage. Moi je suis obligé de tuer une tourelle. Ah oui, de base, c'est-à-dire j'aurais dû courir jusque là pour la truquer. Je vais tirer dans les burnes, il s'en fiche. Tiens, tombe. Couché. Les longues laquettes, c'est ouf. Mais... Arrête de te... Mais... Couché. J'aurais pu la pirater, elle était juste là. Il est où ton câble? Mais t'as pas de câble. Non, celle-là, elle a pas de câble. C'est bizarre. Et voilà comment on recharge sa vie. Bah rien. Pourquoi ça tire sur le mur? Mais what? Je crée du feu sur le mur là. Donc. Voilà, je peux fermer la porte. Je peux la rouvrir. Ah bah voilà. On tire enfin dessus. Voilà. Pas pris. Il veut quoi lui? Tiens. Meurs. Il est fou lui. Mais qu'est-ce qu'il fait lui? Il était dans le sol. Non.
Lewis, I found the computer.
What did they need it for?
Retrieving and processing data from our evaluations.
Where was the data going?
OCP's mainframe computer. To access it, you need staff credentials, and they have been using Wendell's.
You're saying that OCP has Wendell on their payroll?
The old man is the one who signed his contract.
That son of a bitch. I knew he was behind all this. Can you send us over that data?
I'm uploading it as we speak.
I'll make sure Reed sees it ASAP, so we can get you a warrant for the OCP headquarters.
I am heading to OCP headquarters now.
Je vais valider ma compétence. Comme ça, on l'aura au prochain truc. Elle est longue la mission. Ça fait 1h10 que je tourne. Elle est toujours pas finie. Je vais quitter le secteur. Ou dis-moi mission réussie, comme ça on n'en parle plus. Voilà. Donc, si je fais charger, 17h53, c'est l'heure qu'il est. Ok. Donc voilà. Vidéo terminée. J'espère que ça va vous le plaire. Et puis je vous dis à la prochaine.